Nice hotel, great value for its price. Very kind staff working on the reception. Discover the tranquil retreat of Hills Hotel in Moscow. Nestled in the heart of Moscow, Russia, Hills Hotel offers a serene and comfortable stay for travelers seeking a peaceful getaway. With its 3.5-star rating, this hotel provides a perfect blend of modern amenities and warm hospitality. Built in 2002, the hotel underwent a renovation in 2020, ensuring that guests can enjoy a contemporary and stylish ambience during their stay. Conveniently located just 12 kilometers away from the bustling city center, Hills Hotel offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of Moscow. Surrounded by lush greenery and breathtaking views, this hotel provides a serene retreat for guests to unwind and recharge. Whether you are visiting for business or leisure, the hotel's peaceful atmosphere and convenient location make it an ideal choice. Hills Hotel features 37 well-appointed rooms, each designed with comfort and elegance in mind. The rooms are tastefully decorated, offering a cozy and inviting ambience for guests. From spacious beds to modern amenities, every detail has been carefully curated to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable stay. With a variety of room types to choose from, including single, double, and suites, the hotel can accommodate the needs of both solo travelers and families. At Hills Hotel, guests can expect a hassle-free check-in process starting from 2 p.m. The hotel's friendly and professional staff are always ready to assist guests with any inquiries or requests. Checkout is until 12 p.m., allowing guests to have a leisurely morning before bidding farewell to this tranquil haven. Families traveling with young children will be pleased to know that Hills Hotel has a child-friendly policy. Children between the ages of 0 to 1 can stay free of charge, making it an excellent choice for families looking for an affordable and comfortable stay.